Hello, all. My name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, continuing our playlist on Power BI application, that is the Power Business Intelligence application. Today, in this particular video, we are going to see the stacked column chart in Power BI. We have already explored Power BI, some of the basic concepts like how to install the Power BI, and we saw some of the basic operations like how to load the data set into Power BI. Okay, and today in this particular video we are going to explore some of the other basic concepts. We've taken a simple example on stacked column chart with the help of some of the basic data set. Like in our previous video we have loaded one of the basic data set. We'll use the same basic data set and we'll see how exactly we can explore the stacked column chart with some of the options. Okay, so before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification button to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's open our Power BI application. So now what we'll do is we'll try to load the data set. In our previous playlist we have downloaded one of the basic sales data set, which I have already shown you, and suppose if you want you can just Google it, sales data set, the same data set for which I'm going to use it right now. It's available in Kaggle. If you go to supermarket sales dataset, you can just download this. Okay, and now we'll try to load this same dataset. Excuse me. It's loading. Okay, so we have successfully loaded the dataset Power BI, and now we'll select stacked column chart visualization. What we'll do is we'll try to expand this. Okay, and in the x-axis, what we'll take, we'll take quantity. In the y-axis, we'll take rating, and in the legend, what we'll take, we'll take gross income. Okay, we can take gross income, but since there are so many parameters here, we'll take some other column. Which one we take? What about this total? This also has so many parameters. Which one we take? We'll see product line. Yeah, we can take the product line since it has a very less number of parameters and options. Okay, so here in the x-axis I have taken quantity, in the y-axis I have taken sum of rating, and we have already seen how to change the font size. You can change the font style also. Okay, and see, the one thing speciality of stacked column chart is, now suppose here you can see so many different types of product line, that is electronic accessories, fashion accessories, food and beverages, health and beauty, home and lifestyle, sports and travel. Okay, and suppose if you want to see only one parameter, suppose if you want to see only home and lifestyle, you can just click on this. Okay, so here you can see that only home and the lifestyle parameter will be highlighted here. Suppose if you want to explore food and beverage, you can just click on that. So here you can see only food and beverages are highlighted. Okay, and we'll try to explore some other options. You can just double click on this, and here you can see the data labels. You can turn on this. You can see the data labels, and here you can see the distribution of the particular parameter. So here you can see how much it has been distributed. Okay, and suppose if you want, you can change the colors also, as I have already shown you in our previous video. Okay, and suppose if you want to expand this, you can do that. You can also minimize this. Okay, so here you can see so many different types of other options like size and style, title, x-axis, y-axis, legend. Okay, so here I have tried to explore some of the options and here we have seen like how to use the data labels and all. Okay, we have also seen like if we want to see the only particular parameter, that is a sports and travel, you can click on that. You can see only that particular parameter and you can see how much it has been distributed. Okay, so this is the basic concept of stacked column chart, and we have used some of the options like x-axis, y-axis and legend. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. In our next coming playlist we'll explore some of the other different types of other visualizations in Power BI. So here you can see so many different types of visualizations. So we have just explored stacked column chart and we have explored stacked bar chart. Okay, so in the coming videos we'll explore more on the basics of Power BI. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.